जब हम आपकी ज़रूरतों को समझ के आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को करें पूरी. Presenting in front of you, Lakme Salon Mall Road, Bhatinda, presenting feature presentation by me, Rupal. Clearly, our mission statement says, we provide homely atmosphere to our clients with skilled professional team, and of course, our priority is our client. That is why we make client a happy client. About us. So, little that you all know that on 5th of September, we are turning 19 years old with your all support, and we are amongst the first branded salon chains in entire Malwa region. For this, for exclusively BNI members, on this particular event, we are hosting 40% flat off. Why are we important and why are we different from local salons? So there are a few points which I really like to mention is that first is we provide with online billing. तो जो आप सर्विस ले रहे हैं उसकी एक स्पेसिफिक बिलिंग होती है जिसके लिए हम एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी शो करते हैं क्लाइंट्स को. सो देयर इज नथिंग दैट वी कैन चीट ऑन यू. Second is our procurement of products is not from the local market. It is from the brand itself, from Lakme. So इसका एग्जाम्पल एक ये है कि आप किसी भी सैलून पे जाते हैं उधर एक 3-4 फेशियल्स होते हैं लाइक गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड XYZ ऑक्सी. But with me, I have skin facials or almost around 40 plus facials that is not possible to procure from local market. Our services which we have is hair, skin, nails, makeup, extensions and retail sector. Out of which I will speak about 3 of them to have to let you know about my success stories. These are our 2 beautiful clients. First is Dr. Swaran, our first bride. 19 years ago, we delivered a makeup service to this client, and still date, she is our regular client taking our services. Second is Mrs. Prerna ma'am, again a beautiful bride as well, and our BNI closure experts better half. And the latest trends which we are following for makeups are these. This is what we have done currently. Then internal success stories. So like I always mention that it is not about 19 years जो हमारे सिर्फ 4 walls of salon पे है. If you can see that I have 12 years, 8 years, lot of people who are working with me from past 12 plus years. This shows that I have operator retention too. This is what makes me different from other people. That is why my experience counts on it. And for this I have a proof of a client testimony.
मेरा नाम रुपिंदर दुलट. मैं 12 साल से लक्ष्मी सलोन में आ रही हूँ. माल रोड पे जो है जानवी से करवा रही हूँ. उसका फेशियल बहुत अच्छा है.
These are few testimonials which I shared, and this was specifically why because 12 years से वो एक ही ऑपरेटर से करा रहे हैं जो मेरे पास 12 years से है. So this is what makes me different from others. Again, there is a client success story. This goes between the problem and solution. She came from a reputed salon and said, "Beach, मेरे पूरे बाल खराब कर दिए हैं." And this is where we gave her a solution, and she became a happy client. So this is again my success story. Again, we deliver hair services. We deliver haircut, hair color. These are my new launches which we have done, and few works which sorry. This is one of my works. Then few images which I would love to share of my work. These are few hair colors which are following in the trend. Then we also serve form services, which is chemical hair. आप अपनी wives को जिनको बाल straight कराने हैं या कुछ है, तो strengthening and straightening में हम workout करते हैं. Then again, this is my before and after of hair therapies which we have done. And also a video again. Coming up next, how we work. So basically we owe a Lakme salon as a franchisee model. उसके बाद हम प्रोफेशनल्स हायर करते हैं लाइक अदर सैलॉन्स एंड देन वी डिलीवर आवर सर्विसेज टू द कस्टमर्स. ये इंटरनल मार्केटिंग क्या है? इंटरनल मार्केटिंग इज व्हाई वी बिकम डिफरेंट इज बिकॉज वी प्रोवाइड स्किल ट्रेनिंग्स फ्रॉम द बैक एंड. लैक्मे टीम इनको ट्रेन करती है, इनको बनाती है स्किल्ड प्रोफेशनल्स. After which external marketing is how we reach to customers through social media, maybe from Inderjeet sir's help. And then the moment these guys connect with each other, that is called as interactive marketing. This is my target. My location is at Mall Road. Some other services which we are offering is nail services, extensions and nail art for your beautiful wives and girlfriends. Then we also serve men grooming, like haircuts and unique. Again, there is a testimonial too. There's a testimonial. Now, what we have launched in this new launches is eyelash extension. People who are coming from NRI and abroad, they are these people are basically having lashes ka problem. So we are offering that services too. Okay, my gift to the group is, we have like BNI, we are offering a referral program. रेफरल प्रोग्राम में क्या है बेसिकली, जैसे अगर आप मुझे कोई क्लाइंट को रेफर करते हो, राइट, बी इट योर फ्रेंड, कोई भी आप किसी को भी रेफर, से फॉर एग्जांपल आई रेफर ईशान, सो एट लैक्मे ही गेट्स अ सर्विस वर्थ ₹500 फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल अ हेयर कट एंड अ बियर्ड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड देन जब ये लेते हैं तो मुझे भी वो 500 पॉइंट्स मेरे सैलून पे मिलते हैं. So इसका बेनिफिट क्या है? बेसिकली यू आर कमिंग फॉर जस्ट अ सर्विस ऑफ 250 एंड यू आर गेटिंग अ कैशबैक ऑफ 750 रुपीज, विच इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. ऑल्सो जब ये क्लाइंट जैसे ईशान मेरे पास आके सर्विसेज लेते हैं, ही ऑल्सो एंटर्स टू अ लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम. लाइक आई सेड, वी प्रोवाइड ऑनलाइन बिलिंग, करेक्ट. सो जब आप 1000 रुपीज की कोई भी हमारे साथ बिल पेमेंट करते हैं या आपका नाम किसी तरह से भी हमारे पास रजिस्टर होता है, यू गेट a membership discount that is also valid pan India. तो ये मेरे केस में नहीं है, आप कहीं पे भी किसी लैक्मे में जाओगे आप ये डिमांड कर सकते हो, दिस इज योर राइट. सो एंड इन फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग मेंबर्स, मतलब अगर आप, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ईशान आए थे मेरे पास, वो न्यू मेंबर है. ईशान मेरे पास आए तो उनको 3000 पॉइंट्स भी मिल रहे हैं, विच इज लाइक 1500 रुपीज. He is spent nothing and he is getting 500 rupees free of cost and 1500 का also next visit पे discount. So this is give to the group that you get more and more. You also come and you get more referrals so that you can enroll yourself into Lakme. Ask to the group is just get more and more referrals for me. I hope I am clear that why going to salon is important. If somebody would want to answer that why going to salon is important. Why going to salon is important?
देखो जी, ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿੱਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁੰਦਰ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਹਰ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਤੇ ਝਲਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ. ਬੰਦਾ अच्छा हेयर कट होएगा, अच्छी बियर्ड होएगी, अच्छे कलर्स होंगे, इंप्रेशन अच्छा बनना, सो मेरे लिए प्रेफर करता सर.
So correct. This is basically what I want to say is that आपके लिए मैंने आगे भी ये बात बोली थी, grooming. It's because जो आपका ये टाइम है ना, this all where you guys are sitting, this look is very important because this is your first impression. So sometimes all we need is a little pampering to help us feel better. Thank you. This is Lakme Salon Mall.